In this section we will see how to create your first HTML page. In the home menu of Dreamweaver, in the creation column, so you can click on the HTML key, then a new window appears. So I'm going to fill this page with text and an image. For instance, I write my first page, then carriage return, and you can write some text. So I passed something I already copy here. Okay. And up to now I want to insert an image. Inserting an image is very simple. You click on the insert menu and select the image option. Then you can choose the different images you want to insert. For instance, this one seems to be good for me, so I select it and click on the OK key. So second time on OK. Then I must write secondary text, that is to say, like the name of the image. Ruelle means a little street in French, so I give the name Little Street and I click on OK. The image is inserted. Okay, so right now I want to save my work. I click on the File menu and select the Save option. I give a name of my file, for instance my first page, and I click on Save. The name, you can see here, the name of my file is now my first page.html, and you can see also a new file appearing in my website here, which name is my first page, obviously. So I can decide to view the result in my browser. So there is a possibility here by clicking on the View debug in my browser. I choose to see the result in Firefox. And then a new window appears, and this is the result of the page viewed in my browser. Okay, then I close this window, and here I would like to see the display code. In the display code, I would like to see how is really an HTML page. So it's rather the dark side of an HTML page. And here you can see the different tags appearing here. So you see, you know already some of them, like for instance head and /head. So between head and /head, which is the header of the page, so there is one very important tag, the title tag. So this tag is very important because this title will contribute to the ranking of your site in search engines and directories. So you can decide to add other tags which will improve your ranking, and this can be done under the title tag by inserting, for instance, some meta tags we already knew, like the meta tag description, the meta tag keywords, and other tags we already saw before. Then you have the body, a new tag between body and slash body here, so you have all the content of your page. You see other new tags like P, between P and slash P, so you have a paragraph. So if you remember, when I write my first page, I click on the carrier's return, okay, and this action create a new paragraph, okay. So there is here another one. So between P and the next slash P here, so we have a second paragraph. Inside this paragraph you can see some other tags like the break tag. So this break tag means only to the text going at the line. Okay, we are in the same paragraph, but the cursor, the text cursor, goes to the line. After this paragraph, you see a new tag, which color is purple here. It's the image tag. In this tag, you can see here the path of the image you inserted, the dimensions of the image, and what I called before the name, an attribute alt with the name Little Street. So I will add a new attribute, the attribute title with the same name as Little Street, okay, and then I can save my work here. So go to the file menu and select save. Okay, so I can see the result in my favorite browser. So a new window appears. It looks like the other one, but if my mouse cursor rolls over, so a little tooltip appears. So it's the contribution of the title attribute of the image tag. It's very important to fill this attribute, because it will improve your ranking. Okay, so I can close this window here, and so I can show you another possibility by clicking on the fraction display here. So if you click on the fraction display, you have two windows here, the code window here, code window, and below here the creation window. Okay, and if you select either text here or image here, so you can see in the opposite window that the text corresponding is overlined. Okay, selected. So I go back to the creation display, for instance, and maybe I want to select some text, and I can see in the properties window here that I can act on the presentation here by clicking, for instance, if I want to write strong, so I click on the strong key here, and automatically the text will be strong. So what appears in the code display, there is a new inserted tag which is called strong. Between strong and /strong, the text will be stronger. Okay, I go back to the creation display, and if I select the image in the properties window here, I can see the different properties of my image tag. I can see here the dimensions of the window of the image, here the path, and here the name of my image. And all these properties can be edited at leisure.